are.
Yeah.
We're in the Hilton DoubleTree in Orlando.
I can level
Yeah, what's the level?
is 1021.
So it's the first floor,
Yeah.
room 1021. So it's been cleaned.
Yeah, it's shiny.
It's shiny. Let's walk in. We already stayed here, so it's a little banged up. So this is what it looks like. You walk in.
Can I hold it now?
You have your black ashes.
I'm gonna hold it.
There's one of these weird ACs that was turned off when we got here, so we have to turn it on. It was easy. Just turn it on. You had it at 7 and it's still kind of like warm. Have a light.
That looks cold.
It is cold. Somewhere to sit.
Can I hold it now?
Yeah, you can hold it in a minute. So you got 2 queen beds.
Yeah, one for Gulami and one for my one for her stuff.
And then the little nightstand. Here you have plenty of plugs,
The
USB,
telephone.
your telephone. That's not the right time.
Yeah, and also like a clock too.
Yeah, it's a clock.
So it's going ding.
So this is
And here's a remote control too.
you got a remote.
And we have a book.
Here's your Bible. Okay, so let's close this so we have storage down here.
And there's some more spaces down here too.
Yeah,
See?
space. And then what else?
And here's a door.
This is a closet.
The closet door with some hanging things for dresses.
And you have a safe. So if you want to store your passport or your jewelry, there's an iron and an iron board.
Yeah.
So we've been playing hide and seek in here.
Yeah.
So this is cool. And then now,
And can I hold
like I said, we already were in here and I hate
and then the bathroom.
doing this kind of video once we've already like, been in here, but
The
we got here
bathroom.
kind of late and we just wanted to go to bed. So here's your bathroom. It's kind of, okay, so we already took a shower in here. It's fine, but something weird happened. I don't know why this is, well, oh, now I see why it started, because we were playing hide and go seek in here. Those are the towels from the pool.
Just a lot of slippers.
Oh, that was a little. Okay, let's see this back here. So you see how this is kind of like banged up? I don't know. New, but it's fine. I didn't even notice it until I was doing something else in here.
Can I hold it now, please?
Wait a minute, let's finish. You have a mirror, full length mirror. Here's your sink, it's kind of cool. Yep, towels, there's a blow dryer again. Oh my god, this is like, we're just leaving this kind of like funny. Well, we didn't have tissues when we got here, and I think that this has happened before. In these hotels, they don't give us tissues. And here's your fridge. Storage. The little itty bitty little sink. Your coffee maker. Again, we didn't have coffee, so I had to order, to call down this morning and ask for coffee. Microwave. Oh, we have the ice bucket with the ice machine outside wasn't working, so I actually had to order. Okay, so then here's your television, more storage. And I wasn't standing over there, but that's a desk. You can do work on. There's the baby again. Oh, and this is really cool. Do you need, look, show them how that opened. This closes. That wall. Yeah, it closes. Pull it. See how cool? So if you wanted to have privacy, you can. Oh, I don't know. Can you close it again? See how that looks again? Or open it, I mean. Or you want me to open it and you hold the vlog and you talk to the vlog? Okay? Yeah, that's the one that was there. Here's the vlog.
Let's go. Where's we need to go, Mom? I want to have a seat. There's a kitchen stuff. over here. And some opening the chair over here. There's a purse. Never mind. I think that we can like open up. Can I take the vlog, Mom?
Yeah, you can take it. We're gonna leave now. So we're checking out.
I'm doing this.
Good job.
Help me.
Yeah, that way. Yeah, we'll get
Ooh. There's a lot of hallway.
So this is Stevie's.
Hallway. Yeah.
We came in through over there.
Yep, right here. And Mommy, I saw her over there and I saw them over there.
Yep.
Okay. This is
The
hamster.
pool's that way.
The pool, that's where. This is
You're
her.
moving the block too much.
There's a lovely view over there.
More hallway.
Yeah.
Now we're going out. You got to look at the vlog camera. Oh my God, you can see where you're filming. Now we're gonna turn this way and move the car over here. And that was another mission because there was no parking last night. It was parked very far. I had to come this morning and move the car to move it over here. Okay, so hi, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much
For watching our video.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. We just finished a room tour of the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel in Orlando.
And we're also back from our trip.
We're back from our trip. So we did the room tour of the 2-bedroom Wetbar room at the Hilton, at the DoubleTree by Hilton.
And we also saw the castle.
Yeah, we saw the castle. We did a couple of things there. So we just want to thank you so much for watching.
Our channel, don't forget to give us like a big thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, that way
And click our channels.
and click our channel. Yes, so just keep on watching
Our
for
channels.
our next ones. We're always doing hotel stays and crafts and all kinds of like fun stuff. So
And anything from the leprechaun.
and everything from a leprechaun, yes. So
Our pot of gold.
and a pot of gold. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you real soon.
Bye.